Exactly. No, it's not duck, 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 since you touch people's heads.
Oh, well, whatever. Like I said, very sheltered childhood. I'm sorry.
I cannot. We got all of our chicas. Hey, this is some fun stuff, man, right? Backstreet Boy Cruises, this is fun, isn't it, right? And where in the world can you see a band that you like a lot? I saw them, actually, there's a cruise right next to us, and ZZ Top's on that boat, so I might have to say goodbye. We'll go hang out with some long guys. I'll bring Kevin with me, we'll get a free pass. We got long hair, you know? What's happening?
Alright, is everybody ready to play musical chairs? Sorry, my voice, guys. I'm losing my voice.
Thank you.
Alright, so everybody knows the point of musical chair. Okay, I can't talk.
I got it.
You know.
Well, you know. But I did just pick the first song for musical chairs, and I'm actually dedicating this first song to Big Keith McGuffey, Trey D. I'm dedicating this song to you. Oh, yeah, but we're gonna laugh. Okay, so everyone have a seat in your designated chair. Well, just wherever you want to sit. Have a seat.